So we got this G63. This is the W463 model. So this is a 2017. It's not the new one. However, we're doing the full Brabus Widestar kit on this. You guys see already the fender flares are on there. This is a part of the front bumper here. So all this stuff is already attached to the vehicle. We smoothened it out, we put it on the vehicle, and now we're doing the wrap. This car is the factory matte black. However, we're doing a wrap on it in satin black because this customer has a Performante Huracan that we previously wrapped in satin black as well. So it's going to be matching that vehicle. Right now we're doing the wrap. It's very difficult wrap to do on this vehicle. It's all these fender flares from Brabus and stuff has a lot of angles. But you see it happening right now, and we're gonna show you the progress. Alright, so we just left the shop. We are going right now to meet up with one of our old buddies, DJ Khaled. As you guys already know, if you've been following RDB for a few years, we've done a lot of work with DJ Khaled on his personal cars, helping out with other cars, whatever, you name it. So right now we're gonna go. He wants to do some sneaker shopping, some clothing shopping. Obviously he's a huge fan of streetwear and all that stuff, so we're gonna go and pay him a visit.
RDB, the B stands for bamboozle. Love, gotta get the love from up above. I gotta bring it down, give the wings, fly like a dove. I mean, I used to eat off crumbs when I left from the shop. Now I came from the sky. I'm trying to get it televised. Can I do it before I die, before I go to the grave? Trying to be mature in my heart, gotta maturate. That's why I left from the shop. It's all late. Now I'm here on fast back, from the rap back. Can I get a stack? Any opportunity? I did it for my community, so I was on the hour. I even got shot, but this my hip hop. I can't stop till I get a drop top or a Rolls Royce off the Mano. Chase Mill, baby brother. Trying to get an opportunity, man, son. Man, I've been out here for years, days. I've been trying to work, man. I ain't coming like I'm trying to get an opportunity. You see this guy? You go shot. Here you go, man.
What up, bro?
There you go. This is all the pants he asked for. Look at him. Oh man, my shorts though, man. Exactly. This boy, my man Philly
Blunts out here.
Philly Blunts. He the next
Diamond
biggest
Supply,
rapper, Diamond Supply. This is my man right here. We ain't playing with them. Hey. Get my man RDB Vic in the shit. My man RDB Vic in the game. This car is crazy. They open it and go to the window. Take photos. Go.
Here, take the photo real quick.
Do it.
I don't want the photo like out the window.
Oh.
No, we got the photo like in the store already.
Alright.
Alright, guys.
got this Cullinan back in. This is that two-tone Cullinan we did a few months back. You guys saw it in a previous episode. We had these Mansory wheels on order, forged 24-inch wheels. This is the first set of Mansory Cullinan wheels. We're doing it here. This customer also has a Phantom 7, which is the newer Phantom, with this. This customer also has a Phantom 7, which is the newer Phantom. We did these matching wheels on his car and also this two-tone wrap. That was about last year or so. So this is his Cullinan, which we did the same exact wrap, and now it's getting the same wheels. We're waiting for the all-terrain tires to come, which is another cool thing we're doing. We might be the only ones to put an all-terrain tire on the Cullinan so far. So stay tuned and check it out. Alright, so we got this 2019 Aston Martin Vantage behind me. This car was in a little bit of a wreck. Quarter panel had to be fixed and repainted. We did it, it's perfect again. As an added bonus, we did some red accents on this thing. Already you guys know these Aston Martins are kind of the talk of 2019 through Aston Martin, as you know, they look really cool, interiors are really nice. Very sporty looking, so these red accents really make it even better. So did red accents all over the car with this red off-center stripe. The diffuser has some red accents, the mirrors, all this stuff was wrapped, reversible as always, and it looks good. So check out this car and let us know what you think. Our cars look so good that people walking on the street have a hard time concentrating when they see it. Check out this guy. So we just finished up this crazy Brabus Widestar G63. This is the previous model. You guys have been seeing us do the W463A model, which is the 2019. However, this is a 2016 G63, full Brabus Widestar kit. We got the Brabus carbon fiber hood scoop. We got the Brabus carbon fiber turn delete covers. We got the Brabus front spoiler, Brabus grill, Brabus roof lights. Brabus Widestar also includes the fenders, the door panels, which come out wider than stock. Has rear quarter panel flares. Has lights on the fender flares as well, so whenever you open the doors, the side steps light up. Rear bumper by Brabus. We got a roof spoiler in the back. Tons of work on this car. At the end of it, we also wrapped it in satin black, so this is an entirely wrapped vehicle. Lots of labor goes into these builds. These Widestar kits are crazy looking. Takes a lot of work, you gotta know what you're doing, but we've done a lot of them. So we just finished it up. It's raining here in LA. A little tough to shoot, but we're shooting for you guys here. Customers waiting in the front. We're gonna go deliver the car. So on to the next one.